Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting topic: how to earn money through dropshipping on eBay.com. If you've been looking for ways to start an online business and generate passive income, then this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. Instead of stocking inventory, you list products on your eBay store that are sourced directly from suppliers. When a customer purchases an item from you, the supplier takes care of packaging and shipping it directly to the customer. This means you don't have to handle any inventory or worry about shipping logistics. So, how can you start dropshipping on eBay? Let's break it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Research the market. Step 1 is to research the market. Find out what products are in demand and have a good profit margin. You can use eBay's own search feature, Google Trends, or other market research tools to identify popular products. Additionally, consider looking for niche products that have less competition, as it can be easier to establish yourself in those markets. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Once you've identified the products you want to sell, it's time to find reliable suppliers. There are several options to consider, such as AliExpress, wholesale suppliers, or even local manufacturers. Make sure to assess the supplier's reputation, product quality, and shipping times to ensure a positive customer experience. Step 3. Set up your eBay store. Now that you have your products and suppliers in place, it's time to set up your eBay store. Create an account if you don't have one already and choose a store name that reflects your brand. Customize your store's appearance and ensure your product listings are well written, engaging, and include attractive images. Remember, presentation matters. Step 4. List your products. With your store ready, it's time to list your products. Use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to attract potential customers. Research and optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. And don't forget to set competitive prices while factoring in your profit margin and the product's market value. Step 5. Promote your store. Congratulations! Your store is live, and your products are listed. Now, it's time to promote your store to attract customers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube to showcase your products and engage with your audience. You can also consider running targeted ads on eBay or other platforms to reach a broader audience. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to earn money through dropshipping on eBay.com. Remember, success in dropshipping takes time and effort. Continuously analyze your sales, adapt your product offerings, and provide excellent customer service to stand out from the competition. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!